Now he kills him and finally splits his head to give him a horrifying death. Now he goes to a laundry where a man was sleeping. He puts his clothes in the washing machine and just then he sees a strange girl who looked exactly like his. And she was extremely strange. She was behaving just like Art, and moreover, she had applied her makeup exactly like Art's. Both became quite happy upon seeing each other and started playing together. Suddenly, that man wakes up and sees that Art is clapping alone, meaning that the child girl is only visible to Art. Now Art puts on his clothes and starts to leave for the place where he had killed that man by stabbing him in the head. After this, we see a girl named Sienna. She was making a special kind of fairy-themed suit for herself because tomorrow is Halloween. Here, she also appears as a child and all the kids with her were enjoying themselves a lot. A child here was eating something called Art Krispies, which was not something edible but filled with broken glass pieces, blades, and insects. Immediately, Art the clown appears there and starts giving gifts to everyone. But he gives Sienna a very dirty thing, a vessel containing some snakes and meat along with a beating heart, which she finds very disturbing. Then he takes a gun out of his bag and starts shooting randomly, killing all the children. Meanwhile, Sienna also got injured, but she was alive. She moves forward and Art throws fire at her, so she pulls out a sword from a box and attacks him, which the fire cannot damage. Actually, this sword was very powerful, given to Sienna by her dad. After having such a terrifying dream, she wakes up in fear and sees that indeed there was fire on the table and TV in front of her. Meanwhile, Art was preparing for Halloween, meaning he was making acid weapons to cause mayhem. The strange girl who was operating the TV with him starts watching the same show in which the TV host was interviewing Victoria, after which we saw that it's the same scene. At school, Sienna's brother and his friends were looking at a dead mouse. Suddenly, the teacher comes and scolds the three of them, telling them to go to class. After the class ends, when Sienna's brother comes downstairs, he finds Art and that strange girl who were playing with the dead mouse in front of him. Seeing them, he starts to get scared. At the same time, the two of them notice him, and seeing his fear, they start to run away from here. But on the way, a teacher sees him and tries to stop him, but he doesn't stop. So, to check, the teacher goes inside and sees the dead mouse on the ground, which makes her think that it must have been Sienna's brothers. We see Sienna talking with her friends where she was talking about Art and also that the horrifying looking Victoria had burst TV host's eyes. Now, hearing all these things, Sienna starts to feel quite strange and gets up and leaves from here. Her friends also come to her and ask what the matter is after all. Why are you so nervous? Jasoon, Sienna tells them about her dream. The next day, she goes shopping for Halloween with her friend. Her friend receives a call saying that someone had gone outside. Then, unfortunately, Art the Cloud arrives there. Then Sienna, avoiding him, goes upstairs and starts pretending to buy something. But the problem was that she had forgotten her bag downstairs in which she had kept the money. Then, in the blink of an eye, Art brings her bag, so she gives him the money. But here, Art doesn't leave any chance to bother or tease her. However, Sienna is still thinking whether it's really Art or someone is playing a prank on her. But after that, she leaves from here. As soon as she leaves, Art closes the shop. After that, he buys a small instrument for himself, but instead of giving money, he starts taking out his weapon, which makes the shopkeeper angry, and he starts telling Art things. To shut his mouth, Art first hits his head with a bottle and later inserts that thick object into her eye. Even after this, when his heart does not stop, he first attacks her head with a large knife and later strikes her throat, separating it from the body. Whenever Sienna's friend comes out of her house, she sees a van parked in front of her home with the same strange girl sitting inside. She finds it odd, so they go back inside again. After a while, Art knocks on the door, and when Sienna's friend comes outside, he tells her that he needs something to eat to celebrate Halloween. She replies that food is only for children and that adults don't get anything, then shuts the door. However, when he knocks again, she gets annoyed and gives him some food. At that moment, her eyes catch Art's bag, which contained some weapons and tools stained with blood. The other Sienna also begins to get ready for the Halloween party. Later, when Sienna's friend was alone, she hears some noises from downstairs. When she comes downstairs to check, she sees that the glass door is broken because Art had entered the house and he was roaming around as if the house were his own. When her eyes meet Sienna's friend, he starts chasing her. She tries to escape to her room, but Art ultimately catches her. First, he slashes her face, causing her eye to bleed. Then he cuts the skin on her head, separating the hair-covered part. His cruelty escalates as he deeply slashes her stomach with the knife. He then detaches her arm from her body. Still not satisfied, he tears the skin off her face with his hands. He leaves her in a terrible state and she is bleeding heavily. After some time, when her mother comes home, she goes upstairs and sees a horrifying sight. The entire room is filled with blood, which is their daughter's blood, and Art is tearing apart her remaining body, leaving it in a terrible state. Surprisingly, she is still alive. Sienna's mom starts cleaning the car, unaware that Art is sitting inside, which clearly meant that it was not someone else but Art who messed up the car. Then, as she cleans the mirror, she sees Art sitting inside, but without giving him a chance to think or understand, she shoots him in the head and separates him from her. When Sienna's brother comes home, he sees that Art has badly harmed his mom. He has ruined her facial features, After that, Art also catches Sienna's brother and knocks him out, taking him with him. While dancing at the party, Sienna sees the same strange girl who was staring at her. Seeing her, her condition worsens. She gets very scared. Because of this, Sienna and her friends have to leave the party and go from here. After everything becomes normal, when Sienna was sitting in the car, she receives a call from her brother, who says that he is in a park and needs her help. He asks her to come quickly. It is actually not anyone else but the same strange girl, because Sienna's brother was unconscious and was with Art. She was just talking to Sienna with a changed voice. After some time, they reach near the park where Sienna goes inside to find her brother. Just then, she receives a message from her brother that he is stuck in a terrifier, meaning in a haunted mansion. So Sienna goes inside to find him. Due to some reason, Sienna's friend comes out of the car. But at that moment, Art stabs him with a knife and kills him. Then he starts catching Sienna's friend to take him with him. But the friend manages to escape by kicking Art and runs away from here. While running, he enters a room where the walls are stained with blood all around. Just then, Art also comes here and pours acid on his face, burning and scorching his entire face. His face becomes badly damaged. Then he repeatedly kills him with his sharp-needled weapon, completing the remaining tasks and giving him a very brutal death. Just then, Sienna also arrives here and sees her friend in such a bad condition. She gets very scared. Here, Art was also standing, but before that, he kills Sienna. Then her brother comes from behind. Seeing him, Sienna tells him to run away from here and then sticks a stick into Art's leg. But the poor one's fate was bad. She ends up getting hit by it herself. Art beats her severely, throwing her around. When Sienna's brother was trying to escape from here, Art catches him and starts attacking him brutally. Not bad. Sienna comes here. She runs away from here, taking her brother along, but Art follows him and also comes here. Once again, he starts beating Sienna's brother with a scissors sword. Sienna tries to save him, but she also gets beaten up badly. His body gets cut in different parts, which clearly causes him a lot of pain. But somehow, enduring the pain, she snatches his weapon from Art. Now the tide turns here because she starts beating Art badly. Then she stuffs a pipe into his head and harms him. But in the next moment, he gets up and catches Sienna. He was about to kill her, but Sienna's brother pulls his neck out and shoots Art. At that moment, the child appears as Sienna's mom and closes her eyes, showing that your mom was also killed. Seeing this, Sienna's remaining courage starts to fade. Then she sees that her brother is not here. She then searches for her brother, and it turns out that Art took him to a different place. As soon as Sienna approaches Art, she pushes him and makes him fall into a basement-like place. But he doesn't die. He survives. Everyone starts making noise from somewhere below. After so long, Art comes very close and with the same magical sword that his dad had given him, kills Sienna and pushes her down. This time Sienna falls during a show, but she was trapped in a glass box filled with water. She tries very hard to escape from here but cannot and dies. Meanwhile, Art starts eating Sienna's brother. But as her brother screams, a magical light glows in that sword, which brings Sienna back to life. After that, she comes out of that angry box and attacks Art with her dad's sword, splitting his head from his body. And finally, that crazy joker Art dies, which makes both of them happy and breathe a sigh of relief. But then a strange child comes and takes Art's head away. After that, we see a scene in a hospital where Victoria, whose face was quite terrifying, is sitting in one place. Shortly after, she gives birth to Eight's head like a child and starts licking it. Hearing the noises, the nurse who comes there gets scared upon seeing Eight's head in her lap. Additionally, Victoria begins to laugh rather eerily, as if Eight's spirit has entered her. With this, both parts of the film end right here.